Goats are good-natured, intelligent, loving and knowing their owners' animals. They were domesticated more than 9,000 years ago. Before the pets of cats, hardworking donkeys, fleet-footed horses, and many other animals that have not been considered wild for a long time. The external similarity of goats with sheep does not indicate the similarity of their characters. Goats do not have such a strong herd sense. They do not try to keep a bunch on the pasture. In addition, they are much more cunning and smarter than sheep. Goats like to explore new territories, find various loopholes to new pastures.